Hello students, in today's video we learn about email. So email stands for electronic mail. Email is a service which allows us to send the message in electronic mode over the internet. It offers an efficient, inexpensive and real-time meaning of distributing information among the people. So as we know, email is very inexpensive, it is very low cost and it is real time. So anytime, anywhere user can send or distribute information among different peoples, and it allow all type of messages like audio, video, images, animation, word file, excel file, any type of file we can send through email. So what is email system? So email system generally has three components: mailer, mail server and mailbox. So it is also, so first is mailer. It is also called mail program or mail application or mail client. It allows us to manage, read and compose email. So generally mailer is a client program where user can manage or read or write or compose our email. Then mail server. The function of mail server is to receive and store, deliver the email. So the mail server is used to send or store or receive our email. It is must for all, it is must for mail server to be running all the time, because if it is crashes or down, email can be lost. So generally all email server are switch on 24 hours, because if it is crashes or down, then our email can be lost or could not be delivered to the destination. And third is mailbox. Mailbox is generally a folder that contains email and information about them. So there are three email system which has three components: mailer, mail server and mailbox. Now we learn working of email, how email works or how email can be sent the destination from the sender. So in first step, we compose and send an email from your email client. Email has a recipient email address along with the email message. So whenever we want to send any email, that time we must know what is the recipient email address, and address must be correct and proper format. Then in step 2, email client connects to the outgoing SMTP server and has over email message in the required format. So this step we can understood by this diagram. By the help of SMTP, it has along with message and connect to the server. In step 3, the outgoing SMTP validates, first validate the sender detail, and if valid process the message for sending and place it in outgoing queue. Then our SMTP server first check that this sender's detail, if it is proper, then it will work to continue. In step 4, next DNS look up take place. So in this step DNS comes. The SMTP server, based on the domain detail in the recipient address, looks up the DNS server of the domain and retrieve the recipient server information of the recipient domain. In this step, the SMTP server check that receiver's email address, receiver's server and other details of the receiver. Then step 5, SMTP. Then the SMTP server connect with the recipient email server and send the email through the SMTP protocol. Then our message will come to the destination address. In step 6, the recipient server in turn validate the recipient account, delivers the email to the user mail account. So in this step, the recipient server will check the details of the recipient. Then step 7, the user logs into the own email account and view the received email using the email client that will use POP3 or IME protocols. So in first step, the user write the email message or compose the email message. With the help of SMTP, it will connect to the server. Now server check the detail of the sender detail, and after the, if the all conditions are valid, that time SMTP server connect to the destination server or recipient server Now after this all thing is proper, then message will be delivered through the recipient server. Then recipient server check the detail of the recipients and send the email in the account. After this user will logged into that email address, and that time he can view the email address or send the another email address. So in today's class we learned what is email system, and how much components are in email system, and how email works. We learned by the following diagram, and we learned by the step by step how email works.